Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to try to make this short and sweet. I won't be able to watch what I'm filming. I hope it's in focus. I hope it's in camera. Let's see here. How's that? Yeah, that's in focus. Alright. 1718 SP game used. 2 autographs, memorabilia. What am I saying? 4 autographs, memorabilia per box. Probably just 1 autograph. And I'm assuming that's going to be the hit of the box. We'll make it extra suspenseful. There's the pack. Slim little thing. Not heavy at all. Let's see what I paid for here. Alright, first we got Alexander Nylander, authentic rookie, 75 out of 116. A good rookie to hit. What do we got here? Oh, it's the authentic true rookie. This is probably the hit of the box, unfortunately. 29 of 43. I don't know anything about this guy. I don't know if he's good or not. Ooh, this is a good one. Draft day marks. Joel Eriksson, 2015 pick, 20th overall. I don't know anything about him either. We got a banner year of a Bruins player, 2016 NHL draft, Charlie McAvoy. I don't know what that is. Probably a piece of some banner. We got a jersey of Jack Eichel. Last but not least, an authentic rookies jersey. And that is somebody else. I'm not sure of who. Vladislav Kamenev. Well, yeah, I got what I paid for, I guess. Jersey. Yeah, a piece of decorative banner being used in the 2016 NHL draft weekend. This is the hit of the box, or this, I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you think. Good, average, probably average. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.